Welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to be showing you the new update. Let's do this. 5 times 2, 10. Update. Going back into Avatar World from the new update. Ooh. Look at how new it looks, guys. Okay, what is new? What can you do? Dog park. Claim. It's so cool. Okay, so when you first walk in, you get an entrance with a opening and shut gate. You get these posters. You get a dog water fountain. All kinds of dog toys. You get a really cute dog. Oh, you get a new pack for it. Let's check this out. Dog Days. They have all the stuff for it. They have a new Dog Days pack area. Vet clinic. That's so cute. Okay, let's go back into the park. And look, you get like all of these new cute dogs that you could take home. You don't have to pay for packs. This is amazing. I love this new update. You get all of this new stuff. Do you get a pack for it? Outdoor? Dog park, you do. Okay, let's go here. Wow, this is amazing. Well, I guess then. Bye. Thanks for watching.